Send video without losing quality. If any day any of you would like to send video to any of your friend without losing the quality, then just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you can launch the WhatsApp application on your mobile device, as WhatsApp can be the best way for you to do it. After you tap on WhatsApp like this, now you can see an interface like this here. After you see an interface like this here, now you have to go to the next option. That is, now you have to tap on the very person to whom you would like to send the message to. For this, you can go to the search icon as well and then search the very person to whom you would like to send the message to. Now, after you find the very person, you have to tap on the person like this. And after you tap on the person like this, now you can see an interface here. Now, after you see an interface here, what you can do is you can go to the very icon of attach like this and then go to the option of gallery. After tapping on the option of gallery, now here you can see the various kind of videos that are on your mobile device. Now you can tap on any of the video like this and tap on it like this and then go to the very sending option. So this way you can send it, which will also help you to send a nice quality. But the more nice option is to send the very video in the option of a document quality, because when you send the very video through the document format, it will make it a very nice format there. Therefore, you can tap on any of the video like this and again tap on the video and then send it. So this way the most nice quality of the video will be sent. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.